For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Begum Bazaar is one of the largest wholesale markets in Hyderabad. On June 26th, over 400 cases were reported in the Gosha Mahal division of the city where the wholesale market is located. After looking at the surge in COVID-19 cases, the merchants and shopkeepers themselves have stepped up to contain the spread of virus. Members of the Kirana Merchant Association have unanimously decided to shut shops in light of increasing COVID-19 cases. Merchants have decided to close shops from June 28th to July 5th.
क्षेत्र में जो कोरोना महामारी का व्यापक रूप से संक्रमण बढ़ रहा है, उसकी रोकथाम के लिए हमने व्यापार का समय इसके पहले भी 10 दिन पहले हमने मीटिंग बुलाई थी, जिसमें व्यापार का समय हमने सुबह 9 बजे से अपराह्न 3 बजे तक रखा था। यही भाई संक्रमण दर थोड़ी कम रहे, लेकिन उसका उतना असर देखने को नहीं मिला। तो आज आपातकालीन बैठक बुलाकर हमने यह निर्णय लिया कि संपूर्ण मार्केट को लॉकडाउन कर दिया जाए 1 हफ्ते के लिए।
The merchants' body claimed that on a trial basis they would shut shops for a week. If the number of cases doesn't drop, then they would extend the self-imposed lockdown. The merchants' body has also issued instructions to its members to go for quarantine if they show symptoms of COVID-19. The merchants' body also said that the decision has been taken keeping in mind the safety of its workers and family members.
अगर उसके बाद भी संक्रमण दर में कमी नहीं आ रही है तो हम लॉकडाउन को और आगे बढ़ाने पर निर्णय लेंगे। एट प्रेजेंट हमने यही निर्णय लिया, 1 हफ्ते तक किराना मार्केट को पूर्णतः बंद रखेंगे, जिससे हमारे क्षेत्र में दुकानदार, दुकान पे काम करने वाले कर्मचारी, क्षेत्र की जनता सभी को संक्रमण ना हो।
It is reported that a similar decision was taken in Throop Bazaar, a key commercial hub near the iconic Charminar. It needs to be seen if the decision taken by the merchants will help in reducing the number of cases. But looking at the big picture, the COVID-19 cases in Telangana are on a steady rise. As of June 26th, the state has registered over 11,000 cases and 230 people have succumbed to COVID-19. Needless to say, Telangana is one of the worst affected states in the country. To top it all, the Telangana government is facing criticism for its low testing rate. The centre has rolled the ball in the state government's court, saying the states have been given a free hand on reimposing lockdown. But before the state government takes a call, members of the largest wholesale market in Hyderabad have decided to voluntarily shut shop.